A local organization is making noise this summer to combat domestic violence, sexual assault, and child abuse. WHEW, which stands for Women Helping and Encouraging Women, is about raising awareness for these crimes, which the founder says have increased because of the pandemic. Michael Tater has more.
Rochelle Morrishaw says the need is growing for victims of domestic violence and abuse coming out of the pandemic.
We had more calls in 2020 than we did in any other year since we have been an organization.
Morrishaw wanted to be a police officer, having a degree in criminal justice, but being a domestic violence survivor, she realized what she needed to be more was an advocate for others.
And all the stuff I still needed at that time as a survivor, it was more important for me to provide more advocacy than to just be another person on the street with a badge and a gun and a cruiser.
Now she runs support groups and acts as an advocate for victims of domestic violence, sexual assault and rape, and child abuse.
Somebody that has a court case and they need us there with them, or it's someone that was just raped and we need to go to the emergency room. It doesn't matter where they are in their journey.
Say something! Do something!
The group even works with young people with its program, Teens Inspiring Kids. It was started by Morrishaw's kids, who say often adults don't take kids seriously because they're younger.
I've learned that people my age are more comfortable speaking freely with people my age.
Say something!
The two groups will be out every Sunday this summer raising awareness.
Come together and figure out how to prevent, teach people the signs, the red flags, who to report to. We understand that there are some people that are scared to call 911. So is there a trusted neighbor, So it's very important for us to keep doing these.
They also have other summer partnerships, including one with Toledo Public Schools starting next month. In Central Toledo, Michael Tater, WTOL 11.